Hello, I'm Fabio Ruggeri. I'm from Italy and represent Rapid. Rapid is a DIY main supplier in the fixation industry. And I'm here because I'm interested in learning about e-tails and new market techniques. So it's a very interesting event, and I am very happy to be part of the pitch, arena speech. It was a very nice experience, very nice audience, and it was very interesting to meet a lot of main players and interesting contact in the speed meeting. So I have a lot of challenges in front of me, and I guess that this event will help us a lot in facing this new challenge. A lot of learnings for me and very good experience.